All right, getting into the lesson. Using multiplication and division to solve equations. So this is going to work very similar to what we did just a lesson before on addition and subtraction. So basically what we got is, let me just put one up here, equals 8. We have a division here, and we're trying to figure out what n equals. What divided by 8 would equal 8? All right. Here again, you could figure this out without algebra, but please don't. So remember how in the other lesson, when there was a positive number, you subtracted both sides to get down to the literal number. And if there was a negative number, you added. Well, same here. If it's a division, you multiply both sides. And this one cancels because divided by 6 times 6 gets rid of that. So that's n, and this would be 48. So if you look at it, is 48 divided by 6 equal 8? Yes, it does. Now, it'll be exactly the same if you have a multiplication. So let's say you have x plus 2x plus 3x equals 42. All right. Now, you already know how to add like terms. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So we have 6x's equals 42. So 6 times x equals 42. Now, we want to get this over here. So we just have this left by itself. So this is times 6. So we divide that by 6 and divide this by 6. These cancel. X equals 7. All right? Let's go into your lesson here and do a couple. So it's going to be very, very similar to what we did with the addition and subtraction, but instead it'll be multiplication and division. So part A, they just say solve these equations, write the answer in form n equals something. All right? Doesn't have to be n for all of them. It'll be whatever letter you're trying to figure out. So number 3 is x divided by 7 equals 6 plus 2. So on this side, you need to figure out what 6 plus 2 is. That's 8. X divided by 7. So it's divided by, so we want to get just down to this. So we go times 7 times 7. These cancel. X equals 56. If you go back to the original, 56 divided by 7 equals 8. And that is correct. All right, let's do another one. Let's go down to like number 15. How about 15? So 15, we have 6n minus 4 equals 17 plus 3. All right, so here we got two things that we need to get rid of to get down to just this. We have to get rid of the 6 and the 4. So first, let's do what we can. 6n minus 4 equals 20. Now, you might notice that there's multiplication here, and we did addition. That's because it's on that side. You have to only do it, yeah. And you can't do this because you don't know what the n is. All right, so what can we get rid of here? Well, first we'll get rid of this. And the reason we're going to get rid of that is because this doesn't divide evenly by 6, and so it would be kind of hard to divide this whole thing by 6. But if we get rid of the 4 first, plus 4 plus 4, we get down to 6n, these cancel, equals 24. And then we want to get rid of the 6. It's multiplication, so we divide 6, and n equals 4. All right. Now, if you want to check this, you can put n back up here. 4. 6 times 4 is 24, minus 4 is 20, equals 17 plus 3 is 20. You can see that is the correct answer. Maybe we'll just do one more yet. In part A, we'll do 19. So you have 2n plus 4n plus 3n equals 27. All right, and you know how to add like terms. So you have 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 3 is 9n equals 27. And this is multiplication. We want to get rid of that 9, so we go divide it by 9. That cancels, divide it by 9. N equals 3. Alright, and there again, if you would substitute 3 for all those n's, you would figure out that it also comes out to 27. Now part B, let's just do at least one here of these equation deals. How about we do number 23. The Webbers recently moved into a house that is 175 years old. That is 5 less than 15 times the age of the house they just sold. How old is the house H that they sold? So it says that 175 is or equals 5 less than 15 times the age of the house. So there, the house's age times 15 minus 5, right? It's 5 less than 15 times the house. So 15h, or 15 times h, is your formula. So 175 years is 5 less than 15 times the age of their other house. We're trying to figure out how old their other house was. So eventually we're going to get down to h equals what? Alright, so we want to get down to just h on the one side. So what do we do here to get rid of first? Well, the easiest thing to get rid of first is going to be this 5. So plus 5 plus 5. That gets this up to 180 equals 15h because these cancel. So now we're going to get rid of the 15 to get down to the h. So we divide by 15, divide by 15 because it's multiplication there. So to get rid of it, we need it. So what equals h? It would be 15 divided by 5. So 130. 12, I guess, right? So their other house must have been 12 years old. Yep, because 180 divided by 15 is 12. So that's how you do that one. All right, hopefully that makes sense. And we're not going too fast, but if you're getting lost, just send me a message and we'll try to help you out.